Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making a cheeseburger salad. So let's get started. All right, let's go ingredients really quickly. I have some fontina cheese that I cut up really small. I separated them because it's a really soft cheese and it sticks together. So you have your red onions, breadcrumbs, cilantro, and egg. And of course, I'm not making a lot of meatballs. It's just for salad. So that's all I have over there. You can use ground turkey, ground chicken, ground pork. Alright, so I have all my ingredients in my bowl. Now I'm going to add my egg down in here, as well as my seasoning. I'm using my own spice. I'm using a heaping tablespoon of it. This spice will be available at the end of this month through my website, and it will be available to you guys. So yeah, you want to mix these up, and you're going to form some really small patties or meatballs, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Get in there. You also want to let this set a little bit on the side, or more than likely in the refrigerator. Put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes and let it set up so that seasoning can soak down in there. Let me just see if I can do it with one hand. You're going to make your patties so small. Remember, they're going into a salad. You want to make the balls either this tiny, or if you're doing patties, this tiny. They should be like 1/2-inch pieces lengthwise, or even smaller than that. You guys, look how cute these are. So I decided to do it on the stove top because I wanted them to have kind of like a little crunch or crisp on them. You see, like these two right here, because of the cheese, they're going to be a little crispy on the bottoms. That's going to bring even more flavor to your salad. I have my heat on medium. And because they're so tiny, these are going to take maybe 7 to 8 minutes to cook up. They're really tiny. I'm not sure how my camera is picking it up, but this is a small skillet, and I have so many of them down in here. And they're really tiny. Crispy and cheesy, flavorful. Woo! They're so cute. Alright, you guys, so this is my setup. Look how many of those little meatballs I got out of that little bit of meat. Now, if you're on a keto diet and you want to do the salad, this is where you would stop. This is your end zone right here, and you add your own dressing that doesn't have sugar in it. Now, if you're not on the keto diet, I got my pickles. It is a cheeseburger salad, and I have a salad dressing. That's the one I have in my house. But this is very much so keto friendly. You probably don't even need any dressing because the meat is fatty. It's delicious. It's spicy. It's just really good. So then to your salad, you're gonna add your tomatoes down in here. Again, it's a salad. I don't need to show y'all how to make a salad. I'm pretty sure y'all could do that. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once I'm done. You guys, look how delicious this salad looks. Like, seriously. All I have over here is just some juice, some cranberry juice. But guys, look at this salad. You don't even need anything else. Those little crunchy, cheesy bits of meat in the the spinach, tomato, cucumber, pickles, carrots. It's nutritious, it's delicious, and it's not loaded with carbs. So yep, now all I'm gonna do is put my little dressing. Yummy. Bon appetito. I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye guys.